Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Teacher Ruth. What did I say? Okay, you got that right. So, what is your name? What is your name? Okay, your name is Henry. Oh, alright, Henry. Welcome to today's class. So, I am from Nigeria. What did I say? Oh, you got that right too. So, which country are you from? Which country are you from? Okay, you're from Cameroon. That's lovely. So in our today's lesson, we will be talking about computer. Okay. Can I hear you pronounce computer? Oh, that's lovely. So let me show you how computer looks like. This is a computer. This computer is called laptop. It's called laptop. So this is the monitor where we have the screen where you can see what you are typing. So we call this keyboard. What did I say? Keyboard. Yeah, I got that right. So keyboard is used for typing. It's used for typing. So whatever you are typing here is reflecting on the screen, which is the monitor. You're using it to monitor any other you put in here. So we are going to the next thing, which is this. This is called touchpad. In desktop, it is called mouse. We have mouse for desktop. So for laptop, we have touchpad. So what did I say this is? Oh, you got that right. That means you are really following. Monitor. So here we have keyboard for typing. Can you remember this one? That's lovely. Touchpad. So let's go back to this. Can you still remember this? What is it called? Keyboard for typing. Thank you. That's lovely. So we can use this computer to play music, watch cartoon, watch other videos. We can also use it to attend our class. You can use it to attend the class. I can use it to hold the class. So this is a computer. This is a desk. Sorry, this is a laptop. You know the one that is a desktop, so this one is a laptop. So thank you so much for attending today's class. Let's see in our next lesson. Thank you.